Skype is a video conferencing application that was first released in 2003 that allows people to communicate via video, voice, or text messages. It is easy to use on a Windows 10 computer since the software is user-friendly. Although this is a solid performing application, there are instances when certain issues can occur. In this short video tutorial, we will show you how to fix the Skype camera not working. First, make sure Windows 10 can detect your camera. The first thing you will need to do is to make sure that your computer can detect your camera. If it is not detected, then Skype won't be able to detect it as well. To do this, click on the Start button. This is located on the lower left side of the screen. Then, click on Camera. You can find this in the Start menu list of applications. Then, click on the Take Video button and record a few seconds of video. You can tell if it is working if you are able to play back the video. Next, update your webcam drivers. Sometimes this problem can be caused by outdated or corrupted webcam drivers, which is why you will need to install the latest drivers. To do this, right-click on the Start button. Then, click on Device Manager. Then, click the forward arrow just before Imaging Devices. Right-click on your webcam, then click on Update Driver. And then, click on Search automatically for updated driver software. After the new driver has installed, restart your computer. Lastly, uninstall then reinstall Skype. There's a possibility that the problem is caused by a corrupted Skype software or setting. If this is the case, then reinstalling the application will fix the problem. To do this, click on the Start button. Then, click on Settings. Then, click on Apps. Then, click on Skype. And then click on Uninstall. When the uninstall process has completed, go to skype.com and download the Skype for desktop installer. Then, run the installer to install the app. I hope that this guide has been helpful. Please support clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.